The leasehold system in tall buildings has been placed under serious stress in the post-Grenfell years. Future homeowners may have looked at the existing crisis and have been turned off from the prospect of owning a leasehold property. Others, facing far fewer choices, have simply faithfully walked into purchasing a leasehold property unaware of the realities of the leasehold system, only later to be consumed with regret and sometimes extortionate charges. We need to make the leasehold system fairer and more attractive, not just for those who are thinking about buying a leasehold now, but for those existing leaseholders who feel powerless in the face of their managing agent and freeholder. Ideally, leaseholder associations would be able to scrutinise and consult on insurance commissions, along with other non-building safety-related service charges. What it does do is to begin to reorientate the relationship between the freeholder and the leaseholder, which, as it currently stands, is far too skewed in favour of the freeholder. Now, this is not an anti-freeholder amendment. Many freeholders will manage their properties in a responsible manner. But there are just too many instances, and quite high-profile ones, of freeholders acting in an appalling manner. The Yianis Group, for example, the freeholder of the West India Quays development, spent over £74,000 in a legal action to block the residents from forming a recognised residents' association. This was after leaseholders issued proceedings against the freeholder over expensive energy bills, something, of course, not covered by this amendment, but I think it's worthwhile mentioning, which they were vindicated in after the court revealed that they'd been overcharged 26% on their utility bills. This is the same freeholder who, when challenged by the residents at a different development at Canary Riverside, lost a ruling brought forward by the residents and was forced to replace the managing agent. The court ruled that the freeholder failed to maintain the estate and didn't adequately prove expenses and service charges, and as the Times reported, even charged 100% markup on repairs to leaky windows to a repair company. At the time of reporting, the freeholder then attempted to chip away at the court-imposed manager's power, costing the leaseholders £1 million in legal fees over 22 proceedings. The freeholders' intentions here, I believe, speak for themselves. Stronger provisions than those listed in Amendment 50A would be welcome, as these powers would only relate to building safety matters. However, this amendment will go some way to breaking the power of any unscrupulous freeholders who view their leaseholders as cash cows. The amendment is not for those honest, conscientious freeholders who retain good relations with their leaseholders and managing agents, but for those who, as one like the Yianis Group, who, as one leaseholder said, was made to feel at the mercy of their landlord.